Hello, 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 Chi.Chi.Luxe here. Today is the day because all of my items that I purchased from the Brandon Blackwood Fall Winter Drop, it's here. It's here. We're gonna unbox, we're gonna discuss. I got a little bit of everything. So, we're gonna talk about everything and how the drop went, all that good stuff. But first, we are gonna start off with the smaller stuff. Hopefully my video that I put out discussing the entire collection did help you guys. I was updating in the comment section about what to get, what's going on, how the drop was working. So hopefully you guys got your hands on a few of the items that you wanted. The ESR totes were probably going to be one of the first things to go. I did try to get that during the drop. I wanted to get a couple of more colors from the wax denim. You see that? That wax denim? She popping. Literally, as I was going to check out, one was sold out. Then I had to take it out of my cart. And then by the time I went back into my cart to pay, the other one was sold out. So I couldn't get my hands on any more ESR totes. So that freed up a little bit of cash for me to get this little guy. I was unsure about getting this, but I was like, why not? And this is a SLG. If you don't know what an SLG is, it stands for small leather good. But if you did watch my video discussing the drop, you should already know what this is. It's packaged up very tightly. Actually, let me slow down, give it a little love. It did come in a dust bag, which I always appreciate. And bam, your girl got the, is he calling this the key pouch? I think he's calling it the key pouch. But this is the key pouch. You see his insignia right there, Brandon Blackwood, New York. And there you have it. I was holding off on buying this because I wanted a fun color. I really like my SLGs to be bright colors because it's easier to find in your bag. And yes, he does have other colors with this particular piece, but those were more pastel, and I'm not really a pastel kind of girl. But you can't go wrong with a basic black little key pouch. So it does hold 6 keys. You can double up these rings or triple up your rings. I don't know how you live your life, but you can. But I would stray away from that because very much so like the Louis Vuitton key pouch, it has a little slot back here. And I typically like to put a emergency 20 or an additional credit card if I am just running out. But this seems like a really nice little piece. Let me check and see if this is actually leather, because that's one thing I don't know. Bear with me 1 second. This is vegan lizard embossed. I would have definitely preferred a real leather, because these things I beat up. I will beat this up. It will be run down into the ground, but it's cool. This is the Nema key pouch, official name. This is only 70 bucks, and I highly recommend any sort of key pouch because if you're making an investment into your bags, you don't want to rip up the lining with your keys just jangling everywhere. So invest in a key pouch because you want the life internally of your bag to live too, okay? The outside just can't be looking good too. Then you wonder why your quarters is falling into, little holes and stuff like that. You can't find your key. Get you a key holder. I'm just telling you right now, get you a key holder. Up next, bam, this little box. First of all, can we get into the pull? The pull, honey, the pull. If you can't tell, these are sunnies. Brandon decided to launch sunglasses this season. And right now, ma'am, this packaging, she's hitting. This is magnetic and it's rather sturdy. These sunnies do come with a cleaning cloth, which I always appreciate. And the sunglasses are wrapped up in this plastic bag. Brandon launched 2 styles of sunnies. So we have the Alex and we have the J. I ended up picking the Alex sunnies in Tortoise shell. Ooh. She's very tortoise. You see all of that? That is very, very tortoisey. Oh, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Now, I really should have picked up the black frames versus the tortoise because I just picked up some Saint Laurent ones and that's also tortoise shell. But she's cute. This one is way more brown and I think that's why I'm really, really digging it. She's cute. I like how she's sitting on my face. It's not too much. It's not too wide. This is cute. I wonder how the black one. I'm gonna get me the black ones too because these are cute. They're nice little weight. It's not too heavy. Brandon's name is written in gold. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, these are really, really nice. I like how they feel on the face. And I like a small square, but it still covers the entire eye. So I can just look nosy, be like, what you got going on? You know, but it's a really nice shape. I love this shape. So I think I might go ahead and get the black frames as well. And look how they just sit in here. Oh, just look at that. And then you just close it right up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna invest in his sunglasses because that's really good. I like the packaging. I like everything about this. A+. Love it. Look at that. Boom. Here for it. Bag number 1. This one I had the most hemming and hawing about because I wasn't sure which color I wanted. I was just like really on the fence about it. Brandon, can we talk? Let's talk. Sometimes these cards, I think my lights are blinding it, but my card is hella dirty. I don't know who you need to like kick in the ass right now, but somebody needs to get up on that because I wish my lights weren't so bright. I love the actual note aspect of it, but whoever said this is okay to do, they need a good talking to. I ain't gonna say fire because people need their jobs, but this should not pass quality control. But if you are new here, you will get a card and it's almost like a handwritten note. Just a thank you note saying, you know, thanks for purchasing, sis. All that good. All right, so boom, here's the bag. I ended up with the Bowen bag. Okay. All right. Okay. She's a lot smaller than what I thought it would be. I thought it was a little bit bigger than this, but I'm low-key kind of happy that it's this size. All right, she is all undressed. This is the Bowen bag. It retails for $250. The reason why I was back and forth with this bag is because even though I am a gold lover through and through, see, go, I was nervous about how yellow this gold was. I was just like, I'm not sure because sometimes if gold is too yellow, it looks cheap. I'm gonna go out and say it. It looks cheap. It's not that as yellow as I thought it was in the pictures. But get into the bag. We have a bamboo turn. Beautiful. You have Brandon Blackwood, New York right there. Inside, we have a zippered compartment, which is, how deep is it? It's decently deep. We'll see if we can put a card holder in it. Let's see. He has Brandon Blackwood stamped in here on the back. It's not in gold, so it's just an embossing of it. And then on the other side, is this a pocket? Ooh, love it. This side, we have a slip pocket. I live for a slip pocket. Now, I am still confused about this middle doohickey thing. Like, I don't get it, but it doesn't look like it's supposed to open. See, this is freaking weird. Like, what is this guitar thing right here? I don't understand that. The bottom of the bag does have feet. I do have my No Way bag that is black, but I wanted something a little bit smaller, and I'm happy that with this size, I'm just very confused by this inner piece. Like, I don't know the purpose. Like, why is that reason? Also, if I'm going to be hella honest, I don't like the fact that this bag is not lined at all. Like, you can see all the folds and the stitches and stuff. So I would have liked this bag to be lined, at least at the bottom, because it would have given this bag a little bit more structure from what I can tell. On the top of the bag, you do have some D-rings because this doesn't come with not one, but two straps. So let's take a look at this first one. This is a gold strap. Let's hook her on real quick. I don't see any branding on the hardware, so it's just a regular chain. So cute little pursy purse like that. This is a very, very lightweight bag. I can put it over my shoulder, but I'm a big girl, so it's going to hit my pits, and I'm not for that. So I would probably just leave it probably like this, or just not even have the strap on. And I also have this longer strap. Okay, so this longer strap is an adjustable belted strap. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustments. We're gonna go ahead and lengthen this. Just in case you guys are wondering if this is vegan leather or regular leather, this is genuine leather. It's very, very soft. I mean, it does work as a crossbody. It hits pretty good on me, so I'm okay with that. And then y'all know I'm a shoulder type girl, so it hits really nice on my body. Today I ain't got it, guys. I can't stand up right now. But trust me, I will be doing full reviews on my collection. Don't you worry. I got you, sis. Just tune into the next one. Make sure you subscribe. But this is the Bowen bag. This is a very smooth leather, so I'm curious to see how it holds up between, you know, scratches and dents. I do see a couple of indentations right here, which I'm just like, I don't know. We'll see. But overall, I do like how tiny this is, and that's a little shocking. I probably will email them and ask them what this middle thing is, if I can open it, because it just doesn't make sense, and I don't want to break my bag. I wish it was just a pit, because this little thing is going to get on my nerves, but we'll discuss this a little bit more when I start wearing it, and I'll review it for you. Now for the big girl. For the big girl. This bag was actually from the fall winter runway collection, as indicated on the boxes. All of the runway things, they're going to have their own specific box labeled as such. So this one's nice and clean. See, whoever packed this, they're on their job. There were a couple of fall winter bags that I really did want to get. I was thinking about getting something with the puffer because that's on trend, but I was like, I don't know. Something with the shearling, but I got my telly, you know, so I decided with this one. As soon as I saw this bag, I was like, it was going to be add to cart. But what did she get, girl? What did you get? It comes like so. Ooh, okay. We got a Cara. She is all pimply bimply. Okay, let me inspect her. Here she is. This is the medium Cara bag, silver hardware. She is all bubbly goodness, and she's very cute. If you know me, you know I don't do silver hardware, but on this bag, I felt like it looked really good, and I'm not sure if gold would have popped off, you know, on this bag as much. But she is very reminiscent of a Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. It's probably the exact same dimensions, only she got feet, darling. That's all the way here for. But this also, ooh, hold on now. Little surprise. I see a little upgrade to the brand. A tag. Oh, okay. look at this. Hold on, let me show you guys, because y'all know I'm into presentation, packaging, and all that. So attached to the bag is I'm guessing a care booklet. We'll figure out what it is, but it says Brandon Blackwood. And on the other side, yep, it's a care booklet. So it tells you how to maintain all of the textiles that he has. So I'm very, very happy with this little upgrade, because I know it was specifically on the website on how to care for it, but having it on the bag, growth. See that? That's growth. I love that. So let's take out her stuffing. Let's take a little tour. Inside we have a zippered compartment. Was my pocket already open? The heck? My pocket isn't opening. Let me see if this is supposed to... No, it says a zip pocket, but my pocket isn't zipping open. Yeah, my pocket does not open at all. Quality control. Well, on the other side, you have a slip pocket, but the zippered pocket isn't unzipping, which is odd. And this one is lined in micro suede, so that is very, very nice touch. This bag is very, very pliable. I'm definitely gonna have to email the brand, because yeah, this isn't opening. That is weird. But yeah, hopefully they will mitigate this situation, because I got this package while I was on vacation, and I think you have a 7-day period to tell you like if you want it or not. But yeah, I have to email the brand, because that I kind of need a zipper compartment to work. Oh no, I'm a little disappointed. It does come with a longer shoulder strap. Oh, I really wanted to wear this like tomorrow. This sucks. Gotta keep all this interior stuff together. Here is the long adjustable strap. Let's see how this one functions. This one is also a belt situation with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjustments, which is very nice. I'm not going to adjust it, unfortunately, because I don't want them trying to say stuff about me, you know, but it is nice. This bag is just very, very light and pliable, but because it's so light, you can put a lot of things in here and it won't like be heavy. Like even right now for a leather bag, this is just very, very light. So, oh no, this is the bag that I was the most excited about, and my zipper doesn't open. Damn. Okay. I didn't want to end on this note. I was so excited for this bag. Oh, okay. So definitely follow me, because I will be updating you on how everything goes with customer service, because that is the most important part of a bag experience. Is, you know, when you're having an issue, you definitely want to be able to contact customer service and, you know, work your issues out. So I will be updating you guys on that. But that is everything that I picked up from the fall winter 2021 collection. Trust me, I will be doing reviews on everything, but if you haven't seen some of my previous Brandon Blackwood reviews, I'm gonna pop it up, bong bong, right here. Check those out, and I will catch you in the next one.